Good morning to all my grade 8 students. Welcome to this tutorial. This is Mr. Faisal. Today's lesson we're going to talk about applying filters to a layer in your Adobe Photoshop. So I want you to turn your textbook to page 76. So what are layer effects in Photoshop? Layer effects are a collection of non-destructive, editable effects that can be applied to almost any kind of layer in Photoshop. There are 10 different layer effects to choose from, but they can be grouped together into three main categories. We have shadows and glows, overlays, and strokes. Layer effects are live effects that link directly to the layer. So if you make changes to a layer contents, any effects applied to that layer will instantly update. What are layer styles? A layer style is a collection of two or more layer effects working together to create a larger overall look. Layer styles also include any blending options applied to the layer, including the layer's blend mode, along with its current opacity and fill opacity settings. And what are the benefits of using layer effects? Layer effects are easy to use, fully editable, and entirely non-destructive. And they add virtually nothing to the overall size of your Photoshop document. While layer effects are most often used with type, they can also be used with images and vector shapes to add realism or creativity in ways that would be difficult, if not possible, without layer effects. The question is, where do I find Photoshop's layer effects? And there are two main places where you'll find the list of layer effects. One is from the layer menu. All you have to do is go to layer, layer style, and then choose your layer effects. The second one, the layers panel. All we need to do is click the FX icon and then choosing from the same list of layer effects that we saw in the menu bar. So here are the lists. Let's have an example. I have here a picture, just like what's in your textbook. Our objective is to cut this butterfly and put it in a different background and change its layer styles and the effects. So let's use the pen tool to select the butterfly and paste it on a new document. So previously, I already taught you how to do it. So once we choose the butterfly, we need to paste it on a new document and then select gradient tool button from the gradient toolbar. After that, from the gradient toolbar, choose the gradient that you want. So there are different strokes there. And once you're done, I want you to apply it to the background layer. And by dragging the pointer in any direction that you want, for example, I drag it diagonally, this will be the effect. Now I want you to copy and paste another butterfly and use the layer style. So go to the layer menu bar layer style, and let's choose outer glow. Choose any style from the list and modify the properties of the chosen style. So you can change the opacity, the blend mode, so that you will be able to see the effects of this. And once you're done, press OK. Look what we had here now. The applied properties of your or layer style appears on our butterfly, and we use the stroke and the color overlay. For your activity, what I want you to do is that continue the activity on your book, that is on page 77. I want you to apply filters. Follow the direction and save it as JPEG with your name and section. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop your queries on our discussion board, Schoology, and join us in our Zoom video conferencing. Thanks for watching.